Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to use Sendwave in Germany to send money to Ghana. It's really easy. You need to open your browser, find Sendwave, or simply download the app in your App Store or Play Store. It's really easy to do. I recommend do this because um, it's more easy, and once you have the app you can send the money directly instead watching uh, some fees or some price by here. This web page, and uh, the only thing you can do with this page is with this web is to see how much is or how much cost to send money to a specific country. In this case, we're gonna we are in Germany, and we need to send money to Ghana. Then we're gonna click and select Ghana, and then if we send this amount in euros, you can see that person in Ghana will receive this amount by here. But here you can see this exchange rate. But if you want to send this money, you need uh, to download the app. Create, you need to create an account, add a debit or credit card, and then send the money. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.